What is up, guys? God bless you all. Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna work with the exhaust of the Mitsubishi Eclipse. So yeah, today we're working with the Eclipse again, and like we promised, we got a new exhaust. The last of the 2 videos ago when we fixed the exhaust, it was temporary, and here we have the new one. Let me show you. And boom, yep, here we have the first section, which it came beautiful. This one is like ceramic coated, I think, and it looks super beautiful. Here we have the flex. This one is going to be connected to the downpipe, and underneath we have the DNA special. You guys can see it right there, and this one is the cat back with the muffler. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna start up the car real quick just to show you how it sounds right now. So let's go. Hey, it looks nice. Doesn't look as bright as the one on the Hyundai for sure. I like it a lot. Does look very nice. This one is the DNA one. It's very nice. Yeah, the one on the TV was the OBX one instead.
Yeah, the walls don't look bad.
Yeah, dimes, beautiful. I like it. Stock flanges. This is what, 2.5 all the way up? You believe so?
Yeah, 2.5.
Yeah. What about the other piece?
The O2 sensor goes.
Beautiful. Yeah, this thing looks beautiful. Oh, that's a beautiful piece. Bro, look at those swells. Damn. That thing is beautiful. Oh, you have to see the color changing over here, like dimes. I'm impressed. And this DNA is made in China, right? I guess.
I have no clue.
You have no idea?
Yeah, I have no idea. I don't know where they come from. Comes with all the hardware too.
It's the best part.
Yeah. No need to like buy bolts or anything like that. So.
We have this one. Bro, these bends are very nice too. This thing looks amazing. Alright, so let's jack up the car right now. And boom, just like that, the car is in Jackson. Have money already that he actually started to take some stuff out. Started raining too, which doesn't help, but one side down, a few more to go. Let's go. Oh, actually the whole thing almost went down.
Yeah.
It's just something holding it right there. Yeah. There we have it. So here is actually a quick view of the exhaust. So yeah, patch, welded, flex, welded, more welds, cat delete, resonator delete, welded, and then here to the flange, and then just come all the way to the muffler, welds, and the muffler. Here are the last welds that we did on the previous video, and yeah, so we're changing from all this all the way to that. So let's go. So 2 grommets later and 2 bolts, and the first part is on. This thing looks beautiful. So yeah, now what we're gonna do, we're gonna proceed with the other section. You should go right there. Let's go. Alright, so we got the muffler on, and we are not too happy with the results. Actually, the whole thing is not aligning the way it should. Right now it's hanging a little lower for Manny's taste, but had Manny on the there. He's actually working with O2 wideband at the moment, and after that we should be able to put the car on the ground, do the first start, check for leaks, and basically see how it sounds, which I hope is not too loud, but let's go. Yeah guys, there you guys have it. Actually, I like the sound. I do like the sound a lot. It sounds similar to the old one. Yeah, we're gonna have to actually fix it up a little bit. It's hanging too low, it's too long, but that's gonna be for another video. So if you guys are wondering, we actually got a couple of weeks ago the new buff cover on. This one is actually of a Galant, and you guys can see that the breather is actually over there. So it came out very nice. We got the hoses now facing from the front area, going all the way to the oil cash cam. Don't mind the zip ties, we're gonna cut those later on, but as now, yeah, for the new users, bunk stock for G64, we have a turbo kit that we installed in house. Gonna have the playlist on the description just in case you want to see everything from day one until this point. From our intercooler, and yeah, it needs a tune right now when we're working with that, but we're gonna get there. It's kind of starting to rain already. You guys can see it right there. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. So yeah guys, there you guys have it. Like we promised, we got a new exhaust on the Eclipse, and I like the way it sounds, but it didn't fit the way it should. So on the future we're gonna be working with that. So thank you guys for watching. You guys have a nice day. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, show over a friend. And Manny,